In today's video we will go on an adventure with Phi Phi Islands boat tour, and in this episode we'll be visiting 2 islands including the beautiful Maya Bay. Join us in this exciting adventure. Let's go! Good morning, it's early morning here in Krabi and today we go Phi Phi Islands. We booked an early morning tour, so the time is around 6 o'clock at the morning. And there is low tide, so all the boats are stuck in the sand, but we are taking a speedboat, so we should be good. There is some water. Very excited for today and to see the Phi Phi Island.
So now it's literally really low tide, like here, you can see that. But we are finally going on the boat. So this is our first stop and it really looks amazing already. It's okay, it's 7:20 now and we're gonna be here for like 40 minutes. They will set up breakfast and we'll just enjoy this. The water is super clean, it's really nice. Wow. So yeah, we are the latest group of early birds. At the moment it's quite empty, but so I really like this first stop already. You're not taking any cars, anything, you just go direct. I mean, they pick you up from the hotel, but else you just go to the speedboat and then they are taking you already through the sea. Compared to James Bond, where we had to take like hour and a half ride with the car to get to the boat first. So this one is really nice, and I heard many people saying that actually Phi Phi Island boat tours are much better than the James Bond Island. So what do we have here?
With egg custard. This is tastes like a donut.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is banana muffin.
So this island down, we will go to the new.
Woo! Woo! Oh my god! Isn't it hurting? No! Oh my god! We are arriving to Maya Bay. The islands, the Phi Phi Islands are really big actually, and that's the lower part, the southern part of Phi Phi Islands, and I think we're gonna go off that pier, and on the other side is the Maya Bay. Ready to see sharks? No, that's the Maya Bay, so there might be sharks here.
We'll find out.
Yeah, let's see. 9:45, so we will have an hour, and it's already so cold. for low tide, I guess. It's really like what we noticed is not very jungle style. Like there are no palms, there is no pine trees, nothing. Just like more Mediterranean. Maya Bay from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. Rules and regulation of hat swimming. So yeah, here we are not allowed to swim. Wow, how many people. Even if it's crowded, it's good that it's not yet that hot. Like at the James Bond Island, we were like, what, 12. It was like the top temperature through the day. This is nice. We'll come back. Okay, so we made it here. Wow. This is wow. It's so beautiful. Even if it's crowded, it's just so extremely amazing. So we had to take our shoes off. It's not allowed to swim. This is Maya Bay. Wow. Wow, look at the sand. So wow. So Maya Bay. Maya Bay is amazing. Nothing to say. The sand is super amazing. There are still some jellyfish, but the touch of this white sand, like it's amazing. Be careful with the small parts. So this is our guide, and he wants to show us baby sharks.
Yeah, come on. I saw one right there now.
Ah, there. Okay.
Right here.
Yeah. I saw. I think that's the same I saw, like very small one. So they are more here or what? Yeah.
There's one there and two more there.
Where?
Outside.
Ah, yeah. Three more.
Three more, yeah.
Wow. I don't know if it's visible. Wow. I don't know if you're able to see that, but that is a baby shark.
Is very beautiful, and we are very happy to come here. It's a must to visit this place with the beautiful white beach and clear colored water. But it's very crowded, you need to come early.
Yeah, look at the reality.
And the reality is, you have to work hard for the pictures for sure, but definitely must visit. So take the early bird to for sure. That's it for today's video. Maya Bay is a paradise and we recommend everyone to visit it. Our adventure will continue in the next part, so stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching this video and we hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.